friends, Running Kimono here. So we're looking at the week of October the 22nd to the 28th over at Walgreens. And the first thing, in the wee hours of Thursday night, these boosters appeared. They look like they won't overlap, but they will overlap with the 5 off of 20 if you might have received it. This is all Halloween candy themed boosters for next week. I have the sneakiest suspicion some accountant over there at head office took a healthy look at the books and they're like, we're not selling enough Halloween candy and we stocked up way too much. So that's why they're enticing us with these boosters. And as the week progresses, there will be more videos specifically for the candy. These are the other two boosters that we received. A 7-back when you spend $25 on baby products, and I have a deal we're going to look at specifically for that. And then the 5-back when you spend $20. The one below the 5-back when you spend $20, you can stack it with the other one next week. And we're going to make some magic happen. If you do it in store, you could possibly triple stack a paper and the 2 digitals as well. Just to note that, but it will be tested out and we'll definitely look at this. This is obviously a preview video. The full ad will be published on Sunday, October the 22nd in the Walgreens app, along with all of the digital coupons. So again, just a preview for you guys. So the first thing I want to do is just kind of like nerd out a bit. So the 25th and 26th, which is Wednesday and Thursday, this 31% on a $20 purchase of Halloween candy, stacking it with this guy. 5-back when you spend $20. So obviously we're shopping in that window of Wednesday and Thursday to use the first booster, 31% back, which is, themed and great. Let's buy 5 bags of these M&Ms. We're obviously going to have to check the rebate apps in case there might be a little bit of money back for us as well. But 5 bags will be $20 on the nose. The 5th one will ring up for $4. Have your 31% booster loaded with the 5-back when you spend $20. You're going to have to spend $20 with your debit card. And then you're getting back $6.20 for the 31%er and then $5 for the other booster, making it $8.80 for the 5 or $1.76 per bag. It is okay to use manufacturer register rewards if you might have some if you're doing this in store. Do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using these 2 boosters, but some cheap candy. And obviously IBOTTA, those rebates, let's double, triple check in case we can get a little something extra back for that as well. In addition to that, guys, we also have percentage off codes that's in the flyer. And there's Halloween candy pictured. So we're going to make some magic happen next week. It's going to be a fire week. And then BOGO 40% off for some of these larger bags. And I saw like a 4 off 2 digital. So go and load that one right away. And then even as a little item to throw in, this little Halloween Reese's, $1 each when you buy 5. Yes, Halloween themed. First deal that we're going to look at is the $1.99 Arm & Hammer. It's typically the pods, liquid, and fabric enhancers. It's usually like $7.29 for each, so this is a very drastic price cut. Grabbing 5 of them for $9.95. I would throw in $10 in Walgreens cash. In some states, you can pay your tax down with that. If not, you're going to have to grab something else to get you to that $10, something 5 cents or more. I just think this is a smart way to roll a bit of Walgreens cash to get 5 of these items. And it's just a fabulous deal, especially if you're a newer couponer building up your stockpile. This is a real meat and potatoes item to have in your stockpile. And Arm & Hammer, a lot of people prefer it over Tide. So a very superb deal. The next one we're going to look at is the Tresemme, grabbing 2 bottles at $6 a pop, $5 reward when you buy 2. And we're going to have a digital 4 off 2 digital coupon. I think Shopmium also has a rebate that's similar to that as well. Grabbing 2 of these, guys, it's $12 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $8. Get back a $5 register reward, making this 3 for the 2 or $1.50 per bottle of Tresemme. And these are the big memas. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this deal with a booster this week. Okay, so now we're going to look at the Head & Shoulders at $6 a pop, $4 reward when you buy 2, and I believe it's going to be a 3 off 2 digital coupon starting Sunday morning. So grabbing 2 of these shampoos, it's going to be $12 on the nose. Subtracting that 3 off 2 digital, you're going to pay $9. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 5 for the 2 or $2.50 per Head & Shoulders, which is a very good deal. Love it when this deal pops around. Remember, if you're not doing this with a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. Okay, so here is the deal that's very interesting. 7-back when you spend $25 plus on baby products, and then 5 back when you spend 20. These two will stack, and if you have a paper one that comes out of the Catalina machine, throw that into the mix to get this possibly for free. For all the parents out there, this is a deal you should be doing. So 2 for $21 for the Pampers, $4 reward when you buy 2. For the Easy Up specifically, there's a whole bunch of digital coupons with a $3.50 off of one and then a 2 off of one. So that is really fantastic, and we're grabbing 2 of these bags. And then we're also grabbing 2 bags of the wipes. Let's make sure Sunday that the wipes are included. 2 for $7. So looking at this, 2 of the Pampers, I believe that the wipes will be, because it's usually, baby products. It should be all encompassing, but let's double, triple check, because again, this video is a preview. So 2 bags of the Easy Ups is 21 on the nose, and then 2 bags of the wipes is 7 for a total of 28. Have your boosters loaded, 7 back when you spend 25 on baby, and then 5 back when you spend 20 on generic merchandise. We have a $1.50 IVC, a 75-cent times 2 for the wipes, and then $5.50 in digitals for the Easy Ups. With your debit card, pay $21, get $12 back in Walgreens cash, and a $4 register reward, making it $5 for the 4 products or $1.25 per product. For diapers, this is a price we haven't had in probably like 3 years. If you have a paper booster, this could possibly be a freebie. And remember not to use any Walgreens cash, as you're using that baby 7 back when you spend 25 and the 5 back when you spend 20 booster. And on Sunday, we'll know definitively, just throwing these into a basket in the app to see how the 2 boosters stack. But this is just kind of showing the parents out there cheap diapers next week with these 2 boosters if you might have them. Now, why not throw in some fancier shampoo? This is part of the 10 back when you spend 20, and these are on clearance, so they're like savings to $3 to $4, and they are tagged in the store. So if you might have this booster, which is 5 back when you spend 20, please make sure you have it loaded. But why not throw this in to get 15 back when you buy 2 clearance Shea Moisture shampoos? I know a lot of people love this shampoo as well. I don't see any digital coupons right now, but maybe on Sunday something might pop up for us. Grabbing 2 of these, that's going to be $23.98. Have your booster loaded. With your debit card, pay $23.98. Get back 15. 10 for spending 20, and then 5 for the basket booster, making it $8.98 for the 2 or $4.49 per shampoo. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay, as you're using the booster of 5 back when you spend 20, and then spend 20, get back 10 on Shea Moisture, and the word spend is in there. And then let's double, triple check for coupons Sunday morning on either ShopMe'em or in the Walgreens app. Now, guess who's back? We have these Dawn dish soaps for $1.24. $1 reward when you buy 2. It's always 2, but sometimes they make it 3, so we're going to have to double, triple check that on Sunday. Grabbing 2 of these, it's $2.48. $1 register reward, making it $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per Dawn dish soap. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this with no booster. And let's double, triple check the flyer on Sunday morning that the fine print is buy 2, get that $1 register reward. And now this guy, I can never find these Gain dish soaps at my Walgreens, but they're $1.99 on the same promotion as the Dawn, so just be mindful of that. We have a 50-cent digital to go with this one, but I can never find it. Can you guys ever find this Gain dish soap? I can never find it. So grabbing 2 of these Gains, it's going to be $3.98. Subtracting the digital, you'll pay $3.48 out of pocket, get back $1 register reward, making it $2.48 for the 2 or $1.24 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this with a booster. Do not do this as the same transaction as the Dawn that I just showed you in the slides previous, because it's on the same promotion of $1 back when you buy 2. Now we're looking at some cheap DiGiorno pizza for $6.99. This stuff is usually really expensive. Even at like Walmart, it's like almost $10. I saw a couple days ago. I was like, wow. We have this digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2 loaded. And then if you wanted to double this deal, ShopMe'em also has the same rebate of 3 back when you buy 2. So you could do this, you could double it and get 4 pizzas if you wish, or just 2 with the digital coupon in the app. Grabbing 2 of these, it's $13.98. Subtracting your digital coupon, $10.98 for the 2. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay 98 cents. If you're doing this with no booster, I think this is a time to really stock up on frozen food. We're getting closer to winter. Maybe having a quick Halloween party for your kids, or You know, an easy meal one night for dinner. It's very cheap food, and this is what I love to see. Let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first is the P&G deal of buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. My digital coupons are like missing or gone or expiring. If they all pop up and repopulate on Sunday, this could be a very, very good deal to get some cheap detergent. Keep an eye on that. Also, 3 for $12.99. Perfect to go with your pizza party with the DiGiorno. $12.99 for the nice cashews, very good price point. $2.99 for the Kellogg's cereal. Check IBOTTA in case there might be some rebates as the week marches on. $1.99 for complete home Walgreens brand items. That's a very good price point. I believe there's also chips also for that. And then BOGO free for the Cheez-Its and for the Kellogg's cereal snacks. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.